Alright, who owns the blue Subaru?
I do.
You want to get a ticket for excessive honking? Or you want me to take you want me to take the horn out of your car and shove it up your ass?
You can't, listen, you can't come in here ticketing me on a private property, sir.
You don't need to be excessively honking, so when I clearly have my lights on, trying to get through here safely, okay?
For why are you trying to get through here? To sit in the way?
Say again?
I said, why are you trying to come through here? To sit in the way? We are come down here.
No, I'm clearly sitting inside the garage.
Alright, well, we come down here to get out of the way.
I'm here in case any altercations happen.
What altercations? You were not invited here.
That's all I'm for.
Called, okay? So.
I'm invited here.
That doesn't exactly matter either, but I'm here to make sure y'all don't have something pop off.
You can kiss my ass.
It's called community policing, so you can kiss my ass instead.
Get out of the way.
Say excuse me.
Listen, I am your boss.
I pay myself. I pay myself. Don't even pull that on me. I pay myself. I literally pay taxes myself. That's fine. Go ahead. Get him.
Yeah.
Get him.
I'm your boss. Get the fuck out of here, I said.
Get him.